Hey guys, welcome to our channel Learn Our Logic. In this video I'm going to show you how to get Splunk license for free so that you can practice all the features that are available in Splunk. If you want any other kind of tutorial in Splunk, you can put that in comment section, and guys, please do support us by subscribing to our channel. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, our first step is going to be requesting the license from the Splunk. For that we need to go to this website, which is dev.splunk.com. Link has been provided in the description box below. You can just click on it and go to this website directly. Once the website opens up, we go to this option, developer license, click on it, and it shows different steps. First, you need to sign up. If you have already signed up, then you directly request your developer license. So these all are the license agreement. Of course, I'm not going to read them, and neither are you. I agree to the terms and agree. Well, this is what is known as requesting for the license. So you have requested for the license, and now the request is over there at their end, and they'll approve it and they'll get back to you. So guys, it's 10 p.m. and I have received a mail from Splunk, and the mail has the license. So what I'm going to do is save this license and anywhere on my computer, and I'll save it with the same name. There's no need to change the name. So once saved, we can go to our Splunk. We can open it, localhost. Okay. So if your license has already expired, then you won't, after logging in, you will be able to see a screen like this. So it is already asking for you to upload a license or change the license group. So let's go to the license rather and upload it from there. So add license. Here we are going to choose the file. The file is going to be the same license which we have downloaded, and next, and okay. So this is how we can upload a license. This is very easy and obvious, and then we need to just restart. That's it guys. This is how you can get free license for practicing all the functionality at Splunk. uh, please subscribe to our channel. We post amazing videos related to technology and other stuffs. Thank you guys, signing out.